You're at the fuel pump. Maybe you're in a rush, maybe you're distracted. And without thinking, you grab the wrong nozzle. You just put petrol into a diesel car. It's a simple mistake, but it's one that can destroy your engine in minutes and leave you with a repair bill worth thousands. Let's break down exactly what happens when petrol goes into a diesel car, why it's so dangerous, and what you should do the moment you realize the mistake. To understand the damage, you need to know how diesel engines work. Unlike petrol engines, diesel engines don't use spark plugs. They work by compressing air to extremely high pressures. So high the air gets hot enough to ignite the fuel on contact. That's why diesel is thick, oily, and designed to lubricate the engine's moving parts during fuel delivery. Petrol, on the other hand, is light, volatile, and acts more like a cleaning solvent. It doesn't lubricate. If anything, it strips away lubrication. And that's where the disaster begins. When petrol enters a diesel engine's fuel system, the first thing it does is damage the fuel pump. Diesel pumps rely on diesel fuel for lubrication. Petrol removes that, causing metal-on-metal contact almost instantly. The pump grinds itself down, producing tiny metal particles that get pushed into the fuel lines, the filters, and the injectors. Now those tiny metal shavings are flowing with the fuel, contaminating everything. The injectors, which are built to spray precise amounts of fuel under high pressure, start to clog and fail. Your car may begin to run rough, hesitate, or knock violently. And if it continues, those poorly timed explosions inside the cylinders can cause major damage to pistons, valves, and the combustion chamber. The engine may stall, or seize completely. And if you keep driving, you're not just damaging components. You could be looking at a total engine failure. But let's say you catch it early. What should you look out for? If you've accidentally misfueled and already started the engine, watch for unusual knocking sounds, engine shaking or vibrations, loss of power or responsiveness, sudden stalling, or the check engine light flashing on. If any of these happen, stop the car immediately. Every second counts. So how bad can the damage really get? If you haven't started the engine yet, the fuel tank can be drained and flushed. Cost? A few $100s. But if you've run the engine with petrol inside, here's what you're looking at. Fuel pump replacement, $1,000. Injector replacement, $1,500 to $2,500. Fuel system cleaning, $600 to $900. And worst case, complete engine rebuild or replacement, $5,000 to $10,000. That's the cost of one distracted moment at the pump. And here's something people often ask. What's worse, diesel in a petrol car or petrol in a diesel? The answer? Petrol in a diesel is far more destructive. Diesel engines are built with microscopic tolerances and run under massive pressure, often over 30,000 psi. Their systems rely on diesel's thickness and lubricating properties. Petrol strips all that away. It causes the pump to fail, the injectors to jam, and combustion to happen at the wrong time. That chain reaction can destroy the entire fuel system. So what? Don't start the engine, not even to move the car. Step 2. Call roadside assistance or a fuel rescue service. Step 3. Get the tank completely drained and the system flushed by professionals. If the engine has already run, tell the mechanic exactly what happened. They'll need to inspect the pump, fuel rail, filters, injectors, and possibly the cylinders. This isn't something you can ignore or fix with a bottle of cleaner. It needs professional attention fast. So the next time you pull up to the fuel pump, take 5 seconds to double-check, because those 5 seconds can save you $5,000 or more. Putting petrol in a diesel car may be one of the easiest mistakes to make, but it's also one of the most expensive. Don't let it be the last drive your car ever takes.